Hey YouTube, Abdel Car Fix. I got a video for you here to show you something really easy and quick to install the knock sensors on Honda CRV. This is 2005 Honda CRV, and we got the we used a 27 millimeter wrench to get the out. Just once you take it, once you loose it up. This is what we use here, 27. And once you loose up, if you see there, that's the sensor. This is the new one. You see the hose on top of it. That's how we install it, guys, and make it really easy. We had a trouble getting in there, so I came up with the idea. So I got a 3/8, I believe that's a 3/8 hose. I cut it to about 2 inches, and I was able to install it all the way down. I have just to probably maybe a quarter turn, and that should be tight and good to go. That's the easiest way to install it, because you can't access, you cannot get your hand in there. We tried a few things. The hose worked great, so now we just have to remove the hose from there. It's about 2 inches hose, and this is the hose we used here. We cut it about 2 inches. Okay, and we stick it to the sensor like that. This is the old sensor. Yeah, I'll show you how we did it. We did it like that. We cut it about 2 inches, and then we went in there with the hose. The hose is easy to get out. It's not stuck or anything, but we were able to turn this all the way until seated completely, and it made this job is really simple and easy. And I know it's a struggle to get it in there. I watched some videos and everybody's struggling getting in there. So I think this is a good idea. So I hope it helps somebody, and I hope you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day.